Good morning, everybody. It's Hari Swaminathan, August 9th, Friday at 9:52 a.m. And the market's looking up, actually. Futures were down. We are looking at our price line trade, which has moved up quite significantly, $51. It was close to $9.90 at one point. So I did send out the adjustments. So let's just go over them. I wasn't able to fill this as a spread, so the 840, 820. So what I did was, so whenever you're faced with a situation like this, you close the short one first, because remember, it's always the short that's holding up the margin. The long will not hold the margin at all. So that's what I did. I closed this, and for the 820 put, I have a working order, but it's not filling. I'm giving it 5 cents instead of the 2 cents, but it's still not getting filled. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Anyway, it's a long option. It's worthless. So it's not going to do any harm. Okay, so then what we did, we moved the bull put over to the, let me close this up, over to the 960, 940. So what ended up happening, the 840, 820 is obviously very profitable, and then the 1000, 1020 was not. And totally on our position, we had a loss of about 1400, I think, but now it's come down to about 1300. But regardless, what we did was we opened new bull puts and new bear calls. Okay, so on the bull put side, we've moved it to 960, 940, and on the bear call side, we've moved it to 1020, 1040. So if we look at price lines risk profile right now, that is what it would look like, and we have a max profit of possibility of $29.50. That's because we lost $1,300. You can see the loss is $1,300. So our max profit now on this position is $29.50. Price line did make a big move, even though we had positioned ourselves even outside of the expected move. It moved a little bit more than that. But regardless, I think this position is okay now. Our break even on the downside is 958, and on the upside now is 1021. So I think this range should work. Let's see how that goes. The second trade I wanted to look at is Tesla, because Tesla is near its max profit level right here. You can see the open profit is $1,200. We still have maybe about $550. At this point, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to close it because we've already booked $1,800 profit on Tesla. And with this 1,200, that pushes it out to about 3,000. The last $500, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm closing Tesla as well. So those are the two trades I wanted to cover. Let's just take a brief look at how our GMCR is working. So GMCR is it's a calendar trade now. So because we've got front month, which is the weeklies, we are short in the front month and we are long in the back month. So right now it's very close to our 77.5. We don't really need to do anything. Let's just hang on to it and move on to Herbalife. Now Herbalife is at 66. Again, it's well within, it's right in our range here. Our lower break even is at 55. Our upper break even is at 79. So this is a nice little range we have. So on Herbalife, we had booked a loss of 20. On my position, I booked a loss of 2,500. However, you can see that we have almost a $1,500 profit right there. So we are only down about 1,000 on this. So the way we would calculate the Herbalife is, if whatever profit we get, we would have to subtract 2,500 from that. That's the only way. That's the easiest way to keep track. And we have to do it on our own. The platform doesn't do it for you. So that's as far as Herbalife. That's about it, I think. The other trades are okay. Let's just go take a look. FedEx is at 108. Yeah, we're still not at the adjustment point. I think if it crosses 110, then we might want to do something. I have a simulated trade here. Well, let me take that off first. Yeah, this is what it is. So we are still, if it goes past 110, that would be the adjustment point for FedEx. Then next is Google. Let's just quickly take a look at Google. Google is also right in the center. We don't need to do anything today. 895. This is perfect. All right, so that's all the trades for us. The only thing left is the spider, I think, and we will keep the spider. It's a long-term trade. We'll keep the spider as is. We are slightly down about $300 on this, but we'll keep this on. Okay, folks, if you don't hear from me, have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.